Do you want $1,000, huh? And how about 5? I'm ready to give them to you. Seriously, trading in binary options every day, I made over $1.2 million last year. And today I'm giving away all the profits from today's trading sessions to one of my Telegram channel subscribers to show them all they too can make money in this market. The key is to believe in yourself. I want to help them see that trading is an opportunity to make extraordinary profits. And it's not as hard to get the hang of it as it seems. Hi, it's Simon here, a professional trader with over 7 years of experience and an average win rate of more than 88.7%. Watch this video to the end to find out how you can win the total amount from my trading session today. I plan to make over $5,000. Think that's too ambitious? I'm 1000% confident in the outcome. To start earning in trading without risks, join my Telegram channel. I conduct joint trading sessions daily with my 14,000 subscribers. I send them signals and they enter trades with me. Together we make from $250,000 to $350,000 every single day. You can get my personal support, level up in trading and make money with me absolutely free. Join the channel through the first link in the description or in the pinned comment. Okay, so the goal is set to earn over $5,000 to delight one of you. We'll be trading using a unique strategy that I've already tested in 15 sessions. And I've made over $78,000. So we are starting with just $10. And the session won't last more than 15 minutes. Now let's set up the pocket option platform. First, trade duration, 1 minute. The bet is $10. Candle time frame 30 seconds. Second, the currency pairs we'll be trading on: Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, Aussie and Swiss franc, Australian and New Zealander, and Australian and US dollar. Third, indicators. Our strategy is based on Super Trend and Stochastic. Super Trend will have standard settings, and Stochastic will also be set to default. Stick with the video to the end to find out how these indicators work and what makes them so effective. Now imagine you won $5,000. What would you spend it on? Drop your ideas in the comments. The more effort you put in, the more likely you'll see the results. Perfect. We've made all the necessary settings and now we can start trading. Remember this moment. You're about to see how easy it is to earn money in binary trading with super profitable strategies. Let's get started. Australian dollar and US dollar. The new trend has not started yet and Stochastic is not showing a decrease in buy interest. So the upward movement continues, going in on an upward trend. Fantastic! Our deposit nearly doubled to $19, but this is just the beginning. Looking at the Aussie and New Zealand dollar pair. A sideways trend started at the peak. After the red candles, it's logical to expect a bounce upwards, so we press higher. Step by step, we are moving towards a significant sum, and these steps are huge and fast. Now move on to the Australian dollar and Swiss franc pair. And here we need to enter right away, placing a bet upwards. Our timely entry at the start of the green candle will bring us victory. Plus, stochastic indicators are heading upwards, often a good sign for a bounce. The market today is giving us a great chance to earn, and of course, we're not missing out. And already $69 in the account, and that was only the third trade. The Aussie and Canadian dollars are showing a dominance of strong bears. This is evident in powerful red impulses. We predict a price drop. Down we go. Our stash is now 100. Precisely $133. So has this super profitable strategy won you over yet? Then hit like on this video and I'll keep searching for the best ways to earn on binary options for you. Back to our goals. Now Australian dollar and US dollar. Stochastic is clearly predicting further price drops with its downward impulses, so we are going short. We've already bagged $255, but we can earn a much more significant sum. On to the next one. In the Aussie Kiwi pair, there's a tricky situation, so I'm not going to risk it and we'll skip this pair. Aussie and Swiss franc. We reached a peak followed by a trend reversal. Stochastic also indicates a price drop. Press lower. Effortlessly reaching 490 from $10 in 7 minutes. How much does an hour at McDonald's pay, huh? Aussie and Canadian dollars are in a downtrend, and we're expecting a continuation despite the short-term bullish impulses. Bet down. We are almost at $1,000! You can become just as successful a trader as I am. To do that, make sure to watch this video. With just 35 clicks of the mouse, I earned $5,037 in less than 12 minutes. And my starting capital was just $35. This is a very advanced strategy that every growing trader should know about. Click here or follow the link in the description. Alright, Australian and US dollar. The super trend shows that the trend remains the same, but the stochastic indicators are still pointing upwards. We press high. We've got a decent $1,806 in the deposit now. This strategy is just meant for making money. Check out what the Aussie and Kiwi are offering. The downward trend continues and stochastic indicates a price decrease. To avoid catching a rebound, it's better to enter at the end of it. Bet lower. $2,726. That's a different story, right? From $10 rising above $2,500. Just a magnificent result. Aussie and Swiss franc. We're seeing a bounce back and I suggest making a move. We go down. The bulls tried to make a comeback but didn't have enough power to reverse the trend. And we were right, we are moving towards our goal so impressively that I feel that I'm already worth $1 million. Aussie and Canadian. Here a new support level is forming from which we rebound upwards. And stochastic is heading to higher values. Betting higher. Here is some crucial information about our indicators. Super trend is an indicator that effectively identifies trend changes and volatility. Stochastic is an indicator that helps us understand who's currently stronger in the market, the bulls or the bears. In other words, it shows how strong the current trend is. It works within a range from 0 to 100. If the stochastic is above 80, it might mean the asset is overbought and the price could start to drop. If the stochastic is below 20, it could indicate the asset is oversold and the price might begin to rise. Using both indicators allows us to quickly and accurately see the overall picture of what's happening with the asset. The strength of buyers, sellers, the strength of the trend and volatility. This greatly improves the efficiency of technical analysis. Meanwhile, our income has grown to $4,566, and now it's the perfect time to finish our session with the last trade. Attention, Australian and US dollar. All the stochastic indicators are forecasting a price drop, and I tend to agree with them. Press lower. Fantastic, pure magnificence. Binary options are my love. How can you not trade in this market when I've earned $5,486 in just 13 minutes? But let me tell you how to participate in the giveaway. I want to invite you again to my exclusive trading club. There you can simply learn to trade from me, and I'll personally help you. I've already supported and made many of my people happy. We are more than 14,000 subscribers. All of them are in my Telegram channel. We trade together and earn from $250,000 to $350,000 in a single session. I share my signals with them, the currency, the timing of the trade, and they enter trades with me. They're making an average of $500 to $1,000 every day. So you want to make $1,000 a day? Then just two simple steps. subscribe to my Telegram channel, link is in the description, and send me a personal message. Use the first link in the description or the pinned comment. That's all for today. Bye for now.